Good morning!
What's morning, YouTube?
Biscuit. Welcome back to Two Brother Vlog. Day 2 of our trip. We've come in last night. We stopped vlogging after we reached the place because we were tired. We had food. We didn't slept immediately after we came. Still did not wake up. Sharanya is not awake yet. So it's just 5 of us. Two of them are still sleeping and we've just come out for a small boat ride. Look at that. Not aware, this is the Godavari river and this little boy Aggie huh, like the place, dude. It is picture perfect beautiful. Like, this place is so pure. It is literally untouched,
And there is not even a single paper or a plastic over here.
It is so
Luckily.
beautiful. All we see is nature and
Pure.
it is not even 7 in the morning and we're just roaming around like this. Dudes, this is like amazing. I'm sure Shujan is going to go envious looking at this footage because he hasn't come. Do you like this place?
I loved it, honestly.
You guys have to see where's mom. I'm zooming.
She's enjoying.
This is 10x zoom. She's gone somewhere. She's absolutely enjoying herself. Dad is on the other side.
Mom is on the other side.
Dad is there.
And he's enjoying it.
Aggu Baba.
Aggie, look at here. Gugu.
Dude, I seriously don't know the last time when we've been to such a place where there is absolutely nobody.
No human.
This little fellow is enjoying himself like
Never
really
before.
never before. He's never been to such a huge body of water, and this fellow is a water bug like me. So he's just chilling. Let's go. Aggie, chalo, let's go.
Aggie, chalo, let's go. Let's go, Nanu. Chalo. What do you don't want to go?
Aggie, chalo, let's go.
Chalo, let's go. Let's go. चलो बस हो गया चलो.
Okay, play with the water.
Okay,
Play with the water.
Okay, play. Okay, you can play. Sorry, I'm not taking you, Nanu. Enjoy.
I've got few amazing photos of Aggie. I'll show you guys in this video.
इतना सही आया ना. I was like, please मेरा भी निकालो.
Hi. Why are you vlogging on not our main camera? Shujan Bharadwaj. Saab uthe nahi, camera is in his room, so I'm stuck with only my phone to vlog. Adu noru water lo vettindu.
He's putting it wantedly. Do it.
Hey, daridruda.
Do it.
No, salt water. हाँ ना यार नहीं कार किस I was sitting in the water with the car keys in my pocket. ఏం నవ్వినవే వీడియోలో వస్తుంది రేపు చూడకు.
No, please edit it. कहाँ जाता?
There. There. We've been sitting in the water for 1 hour. This fellow is not even ready to come out. Complaining to grandfather now. What's up, boys? Look whom we have here. Srujit is back. और अपना ओवर एक्शन बाबू इज बैक. सुबह उठाया तो उठा भी नहीं. नमस्ते सर.
Namaste.
क्यों नहीं उठा सर?
अरे I was not feeling well. I had a headache, so I slept over. कल सुबह जाऊँगा ना. कल सुबह today morning I couldn't go, and Rohit explained me what all he did. So we planned it again. We're going again tomorrow morning, and tomorrow morning definitely I'm pretty sure I'm going to wake up. अगर बस चले तो मैं रात I won't sleep. But right
Arey,
now,
what Ray? We should not go to the same place again. No, we'll go somewhere else.
no way.
We enjoyed it enough. No, we should not take him again. We enjoyed it. We finished it. Khatam.
No.
We left you, bro.
Well, it's not choco, it's choco strawberry sticks. And right now, we will head out for lunch around.
Head out to Nere Resort में lunch.
यहीं कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
Okay, we'll have our lunch. उसके बाद we are heading out to a place called अंतर्वेदी, and वहाँ पर एक छोटा सा temple है, and there's a beach very close to it.
Temple is shut.
तो बाहर से दर्शन कराएंगे और then
बाहर से दर्शन कराएंगे.
दर्शन करेंगे.
दर्शन करेंगे. What do you speak? Which language do you speak?
It is called Hyderabadi. So mixture of all languages में few words jump around. When we entered the hotel, the staff said the hotel occupancy is only 10%. 10% हम लोग calculate किया तो हम लोग ही है. So in the entire resort, we actually occupied everything. हम लोग ऐसे घूम रहे कि अपना खुद का घर है. And did you show the entire resort?
Nothing. Not yet.
Come. I was just telling it on the camera. You look like Nitya Menon. Because many people are commenting. Looks के department I cannot comment. Drama के department for sure. You can become an actress. Even. Okay na? Da.
Hi.
Matching shades.
I know. Crazy humid though today. Now, in the morning it was amazing. This lake, which we are sitting on, pond. And this resort is absolutely built around this.
And there are two types of rooms. One is a modern take on rooms, and one is a traditional take on rooms. We are actually staying in one of the traditional takes. Traditional rooms. And
It's actually very nice. Yeah, it's very, very laid back here.
There's actually nothing much to do here. If there was no COVID, there was actually boating. That is, in Kerala types those
Houseboats,
yeah,
backwater boats.
And that is not there, but there are multiple beaches which are close by. So, like we said,
that is the program for the evening today. We are planning to
Now-
go to the beach.
we'll have our lunch. Uske baad we'll probably go to the temple. The temple is closed, but we'll visit from outside, and then we go to the beach.
And if you can see this pond, I don't know how clear it is on the cam, but there's so many lotuses. We have white, purple, there's one yellow here, more yellow, there's oranges as well. So, yeah, light pinks. I've never
And-
seen so many lotuses.
And this is a closed pond. It belongs to the resort, but यहाँ भी litter हो रहा है. There's some trash there.
Yes, true.
Chalo.
But still, it's still maintained pretty well, the resort. Did you like this place?
Yeah.
I loved it myself personally. The food is above par, as in don't expect city level quality and all.
Dude.
It is tasty. It's simple food what they're offering, but it's very tasty. So how
And,
well do you recommend this kind of a place?
8/10.
Easily.
If you guys don't want to do anything and just want to sit back,
Yeah.
lay back, and
Like-
relax, unwind.
Like if you, it's quiet. All you can actually hear is the coconut trees ka leaves moving, and few birds chirping. That's all.
ducks as well.
That's all. There's
Ducks है ना
nothing.
बहुत सारे.
चलेगा यार. I don't mind the sound of that instead of all the honks and.
Shake is actually because of the camera. We need to upgrade to a better camera to remove all the to reduce the shakiness and increase the stability of the image. Yeah, we know about that, but slowly we will change the camera as well. That's what me and Rohit were talking about. And earlier when I said,
Okay. That's the Godavari. Right here. It's pretty close. About 5
oh,
minutes
this is
walk.
the tributary which you're talking about. Chotu
No,
Wala.
we didn't go on this. We went somewhere thoda far. You can't see it from here. आज अभी तो अंदर सुबह we were sitting here for breakfast last night. We had our dinner here itself. We are very sorry if there's a lot of wind noise now.
We
But-
are at a beach and it's extremely windy and the sand is black.
And Blackie भी आ गई यहाँ पे. So we are going थोड़ा उस तरफ ताकि no people around. We can be for ourselves. It looks very clean there. यहाँ पे doesn't look that good. It looks good on that side as well. So Aghu Baba was sleeping in the car. It took us 1 hour from the resort to come here. It was about 30 kilometers only. But it took us 1 hour because the roads were...
This place is actually famous for the temple which is here, Antarvedi temple. But because of COVID that is shut now. So what else to do? Enjoy the beach.
Yep.
We've got our autonomous camera. Say 3, 2, 1 and we'll go shift to this. 3, 2, 1.